Welcome to the swing course for beginners.
In this course, you're going to be learning basic steps, timing, lead and follow, and how to blend all the steps together.
And without further ado, let's get started. Before we get started with the basic step of swing, let's talk about swing dance itself. Swing dance is a very useful dance. You'll be able to dance it anywhere, in any occasion, any party, in the bar, at weddings, and also at the clubs. Whenever there is a band playing, you always can dance this swing. Now, I'll be demonstrating the gentleman's part. Gentlemen, follow up with me. The first thing you need to know about the basic step of swing, something called the triple step. Triple step is a very easy concept. It's something goes like 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. That's what we call triple step. Triple step, and triple step with a triple step. It's very simple. Now, all what we need to add to this is the rock step. If you didn't watch the salsa lesson previously, please go ahead and watch it so you'll learn the rock step. However, I'll be explaining it now. The rock step basically is a marching action. We do a rock step. Now, for the ladies, they always go back with the right. For the gentlemen, always with the left backward. So this is my left foot. I will go rock step, rock step, rock step, rock step. So I'm changing weight from foot to another through my knees. So rock step, rock step, rock step. Now we're gonna add one rock step and add to it the triple step that we talked about. So it goes something like that. I start with my left backward, rock step, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, rock step. It's very simple. We repeat one more time. Rock step, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, rock step. Now I'll be doing it from this side. I'll go rock step, triple step, rock. Again, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, rock step. Now one more time from this side so you catch up. That's my left foot, and I go 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, rock step, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and a rock step. Now, very important that you do two things. The first thing is to keep your steps very small. Very small. Now, I mean, always under you, nothing bigger than your shoulders. You don't want to go triple step like this, and you don't want to do a rock step, huge one. Very small under you. It goes under me, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, back, rock. Now let's see what the ladies' part will look like.
Ladies and followers, let's get started with your basic step of swing. So as usual, we're going back with the right leg. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna step back to do my rock step, now triple steps. 1, 2, 3, go back, 1, 2, 3. Again, back, forward, side, 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 and we keep repeating. I'm going to show from different perspective. I'm stepping back with my right, back, forward, side, 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 back, forward, side, 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 side. Now, in order to practice this action, I'm gonna exaggerate my steps. That means I'm gonna really change weight throughout the basic step. So one more time, I'm gonna do back, forward, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, back, forward, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And you can practice with different speeds. And that's the basic step for the ladies. And now let's try the basic step of swing with a partner. Before we're gonna go to dance our basic step, we have to go through a basic dance hold. Our first dance hold is called open dance position. So my partner, he just opens his palms and I'm placing my hand here. We're gonna have a little bit of a tension here, a little bit of a connection. Now we're both going back with our rock step. Rock step, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, rock step, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, rock step, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This is very easy dance hold and you can always practice it. Now we're going to demonstrate from different angle and we're stepping back. rock step, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, rock step, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, beautiful. That was our open dance position. However, in swing, we have multiple dance positions. The next one, it's called V shape. What that means? I'm coming to my partner. This is my closed dance position. However, we're gonna a little bit upgrade. We're gonna take this hand down and we're gonna rotate towards you, actually. So we've created a V between us. So we are not completely forward and we are not completely side. So this is not side, it's V. Now let's try the basic step. And rock step, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, rock step, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, rock step, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, rock step. Now let's go ahead and try the basic step with the music, with a partner. Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed and you've learned something new.
And since you learned the basic step of swing today, go ahead and click the next video where you're gonna be learning the underarm turn in swing. Get up and practice, and we'll see you in the next video.